Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
सुंदर है जग में सबसे, नाम सबसे न्यारा है, जाति भाषा से बढ़कर देश प्रेम की धारा है, निश्चल पवन प्रेम पुराना वो भारत देश हमारा है. Good evening everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Doremi welcome you all and wish you a happy Republic Day. I have come up with a new video. In this video you can see a very creative concept. I know you will must enjoy this video.
Because in this video I have used 150 bindis, means 25 packet of bindis. Isn't it interesting? Let's start with drawing of bindi pasting art. So this is our paper where we have to draw the portrait of Bhagat Singh. We are drawing Bhagat Singh's portrait as a famous freedom fighter. You can choose any others or you can choose any other topic also. So here I am doing Bhagat Singh's portrait. So first, in very light manner, I am just making the block of the face where eyes, nose and lips all should be in the right proportion and the right place. So now the identical part is the cap that we are doing. I am not using eraser. You also can avoid the eraser so that you have to use very light line. Don't use too much of dark line. When you are confident about your drawing, that time you can use the dark line. So now I am drawing the neck. You can understand exactly where I have done the face, nose. Okay, now this is the neck. This is the collar. You can understand about face. So this way you can draw the portrait. Now these are the bindis. I have used many bindis, I have told, means 25 packets of bindi. So first I am starting with the contour line, I mean this outer line. This is the part of the cap I am doing. I have started with the part of cap because cap is the very identical for our portrait. So you can understand how I am doing. I am just pasting all the bindis one by one. Here I don't want to make any gaps, so one by one I am doing. Okay, if it is gap then you can open it and you can again paste it. So this is the cap. Now I am just choosing the shadow areas here. So you have to understand the concept. This place is under the caps, so here light is not coming. So this part will be the shadow part. So instead of using pencil in the shadow, we are using this bindi. This is the basic concept. In YouTube, you may have seen lot of videos. So all those artwork videos, if you have seen, that is only for the entertainment. But in my video, I always want to show you the trick and the concept so that also you can make. So this is the eyebrows. Okay. So this is the eyes. because inside the eyes there is also dark, the eyeball also dark, and here in this video the light is coming from the left side, so all the right side dark shadow is coming. You can see the nose. At the right side of the nose you can see I have used bindis to show the shadows. Now in the same way, and the right jaw also I am covering with bindis, because this side light is not coming. This is another plate where the shadow is coming, so because of this reason I am using bindis. Now look in the chin also, but follow the left side, I am not using bindis. Now this is a mustache. Okay, generally if you see the drawing, the mustache, if you find the mustache is going the upside, so here we have tried to do this. Now we have done the shadow under lips. We have done the shadow under lips. Okay, under your lips, lower lips, there is a shadow comes. We have tried to do this. Now this ear we are doing. So we are not doing any prominent drawing for the ear, but we are trying to show the shadows that will clear the face. Now the neck. So same way, same concept. The light is coming from the left, so right side we can see the dark. So this way you can create the volume using your bindis. Don't be hurry, watch the video with your full attention. You can learn lot of things. Instead of bindi you can use any other seeds also. Okay, this is the inside of the collar, the dark shadow comes, so we are doing this. So watch the video with concentration, with attention. You can choose anything to draw if you know the basic concept. This is the basic concept of portrait. You see how I am doing. Look, in the neck I am using some shadows. Now this is the cap. For the cap I have used bindi at the left side first, but my right side will be more, because this part will be the shadow part. I have told before also. You can see how I am doing. In the cap there is a line, but that line is not that much of dark, so we have put a little bit gap on the bindi, and now we have created that line. You can understand. The more we are doing, completed our work, it looks perfect. Now I'm just making the shape of our cap so that you can understand. So one by one I'm pasting the cap. Some white part is shown, so I am covering with the bindis. I hope you have learned many things from our video. Now this is the time to color. So I'm just, for the background I am just coloring. First, this is a saffron color. You can use orange color also. Both quite look like same. Mix with water and just give the color. Avoid the bindis. Your bindi should not be mixed with color. Little bit touch is fine. I am just doing the coloring so that it looks, the color is flowing. Now this green color, yes, at the background I am showing our Indian flag, and it shows that flag is blowing. When you are coloring, be very gentle. I hope you are enjoying this video, but I also want to learn from this video, and please show your creation, make video and send us in our mail ID. We have a WhatsApp number also. You can contact us. We always there ready to help you. So thank you for watching our video. Take care. Once again, Happy Republic Day.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.